Good afternoon. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 4th to the 16th. Today's the beginning of the Atlantic hurricane season. These are the points of origin that we look for development in June. And here is a map of the points of origin where storms have formed in the past. This is from 1851 to 2015 at least. And these are the paths that it taken. And here is a look at the tropical, or of the whole Atlantic, Caribbean, the Caribbean. And there's no tropical development expected during this period. Now we're going to take a look at the period now for June 4th to the 8th. Here we are at the 4th, and we have a trough forecast off the west coast and here across the North Atlantic. And we have a ridge across the south central U.S., zone of flow here, above normal heights. And we'll take a look at the other models. They're in pretty good agreement. And then we go through each day. We come to the 8th. We don't see much of a change. And during this period, a precipitations forecast for the north central states in New England due to an upper low and a trough, along with a surface low development offshore. There could be heavy rain from the coastal low to affect parts of the northeast, with the possibility of a late season nor'easter to affect coastal New England. And we also expect showers and storms are expected from the Dakotas into the upper Midwest by the middle of next week. And this ridge across south central states will cause very hot conditions with temperatures approaching 100 degrees and even exceed that, maybe as much as 110 degrees parts of West Texas. June 7th to the 11th. Here we are at the 9th. And the pattern doesn't change very much. We have this trough extending from Alaska into the western U.S. We also have a trough here in the east, and we still have a ridge across south central states with above normal heights across the region. And then we go to the end of the period. We come to the 11th. We see it very well here established. This is GFS. And then we take a look at the rest of the models. Even the European weeklies pick this up very well. So models in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this area here, with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures forecast for the Great Lakes, the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, with the anomalies of up to 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Below normal precipitation is forecast for the western states, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region, with the probability of occurrence of 45 to 55%. June 12th to 16th. Here we are at the 12th. Little change expected in the circulation. We still have a trough here, ridge. But some of the models are indicating some flattening of the flow. Like here, this is European ensembles. And then we look at the NAEFS. And then we have the European weeklies. So overall, we're expecting little change in circulation. So for this forecast period, forecasting near to above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and we're forecasting anomalies to be about 1 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation from the Mississippi Valley to the Pacific Coast, with a probability of occurrence of 45%. We have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 4th to 16th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.